Let's make an old family favorite called Spitz. Yeah, that's right. There's a theme here. It's basically lots of salt and lots of oil. Fry your chicken just enough so it turns a little white and seals in the flavor. And you're gonna get a large onion or 2 medium onions, chop the shit out of that, take a break to cry and wipe your eyes. Yep, that was frozen parsley. Circle back to the chicken, we're gonna sprinkle a bunch of salt, and I prefer more pepper, but hey, that's up to you. Then you're gonna put this crazy stuff on it. Chicken bouquet, kitchen bouquet, but I call it chicken bouquet every time, but I digress. So you're gonna sprinkle a liberal amount of that on there, and then we're going to take those frozen parsley stems and put it on top. Back to the skillet we were cooking the chicken in. We're going to add 2 cups of water and put in our onion and our parsley. And we're going to cook that down for a little bit. And this is what you're looking for. So we're going to add that to the pot and we're going to let it stew for about 2 hours. We're going to fry some potatoes, and then the last 20 minutes or so, we're going to add those potatoes and let it stew. Toss that baby in the fridge overnight, and the next day when you're ready to serve it, you're going to take it out, peel off that thick layer of fat that has solidified while it was in the fridge. Then you're going to reheat that up. It's going to take about the same amount of time as it does for you to boil the pasta. Here's the recipe if you feel like sacrificing your kitchen to a ridiculous amount of grease and then sacrificing your stomach to a ridiculous amount of grease. You'll probably end up crapping your pants, but it's so worth it.